Shalom, boys and girls. Bayath. This week we're going to have another lesson on the Ibaryath, ahlap, bayath. Okay, so the first letter we're learning this week, the first Hebrew character is za. Za. Za kind of looks like the letter Z from our English alphabet. Looks a little familiar, right? It's pronounced za. And za is for Zayan. Za comes from the word zayan, which means weapon or plow. This is if you just add, this here and here on zayan, it looks like one of those weapons from back in the day they used to use to fight with. And so also it could mean plow, because this is the type of tool that you would take when you're going through a field to plow. Okay, and you just kind of move it like this. Okay, and it plows the field for you. The next Hebrew character we're going to learn about is ha. That one's a little difficult to pronounce out of all the other Hebrew characters, but it's a sound that comes from the back of your throat. Ha. Looks like this. Okay, Salakia, my marker is dying, so we're gonna use the board, okay? So, ha. If we turn it to the side, and it looks like this, it kind of looks like what is behind the wall. There are beams behind the wall, 12 inches apart about, so that we can, hammer stuff in the wall. Sometimes there's a beam finder where people come and scan it on the wall to try to find where the beams are if you're trying to hook or hang something on the wall. So this is why hath means wall or divide. Okay, and lastly we're going to do the Hebrew character ta. Ta looks like this. And it comes from the Hebrew word tat. Tat. Tat means clay to store. So the reason it means clay or to store is because back in the days we would use clay pots to store things in it, and this X is it shows the depth of the pot. So you would look down into the pot and you would see the X in the basket, the clay basket, and we would store things in there like food and different stuff. Okay, and now it's time for all of us to sing our Ibaryath, ahlap, bayath. Are you ready? Again. Abagadaha wazachataya kalamanasa aipa zakwarashada.
Another thing from the sister tip.